Crypto downtrend. Last shakeout before bulls take charge. Hi guys, Andrew from the BitsPuls channel here. The crypto market has been pretty quiet over the weekend, with Bitcoin hovering below $63,000. Analysts are saying that without any good news to boost it up, the market could take another dip, especially with all the economic worries going around. Stocks had a rough day too, going up at the start but then falling as the day went on. The major indexes all ended in the red by midday. This happened after the U.S. Treasury said it needed $41 billion more than it thought for this quarter, bringing the total to $243 billion. Because of this, the yield on the 10-year Treasury went back up to 4.65% after going down to 4.613% earlier in the day. But later, it went down again and is now at 4.607% as I'm recording this. At the end of the day, the S&P, Dow, and Nasdaq all finished higher, up 0.32%, 0.38%, and 0.35% respectively. Bitcoin started the day below $60,600 and went as low as $61,750 in the afternoon before some buyers stepped in to stop the slide. It briefly went back above $63,200, but at the moment it's trading at $63,070, which is a 0.9% drop over the last 24 hours. Analysts at Secure Digital Markets say that Bitcoin is in a downtrend, with lower highs and lower lows. It's also below the 20-day and 50-day moving averages, which shows that the bears are in control. The main thing making the market so jumpy is the uncertainty about what will happen with interest rates. The analysts say that the mix of slow growth and high inflation has made it less likely that the Fed will cut rates, which is bad news for risky investments. Bitcoin would need to go above $67,500 for the bulls to take back control. Also, there have been big outflows from Bitcoin ETFs, which has put more pressure on its price. Last Friday, Bitcoin ETFs had outflows of $83.6 million, with Grayscale alone seeing outflows of $82.4 million. BlackRock had no inflows for the third day in a row, which isn't a good sign. The analysts also mentioned that the launch of Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong on April 30th has gotten some attention. But there's less excitement because mainland Chinese investors can't trade these ETFs. Looking at the bigger picture, Secure Digital Markets says that the market is focused on upcoming corporate earnings, important labor data, and a meeting of the Federal Reserve. Tesla's stock went up 12% in pre-market trading after it passed a big regulatory hurdle for its full self-driving rollout in China. This week, we'll get earnings reports from PayPal and Amazon on Tuesday, and from Apple, Coinbase, and Block on Thursday. Also, the Federal Reserve is expected to keep interest rates the same when it meets on Wednesday. Even though no change in rates is expected, investors will be listening closely to what Chair Jerome Powell says at the press conference after the meeting. All this leads up to Friday's release of April's Nonfarm payrolls report, which is a big indicator of the health of the labor market and something the Fed looks at when making decisions about interest rates and the economy in general. According to Milky Bull Crypto, an economist and crypto trader, the current weakness in Bitcoin could be the last shakeout before the rally to cycle top. He points out that in 2017, when Bitcoin broke a new record, there was a big pullback before it went on to reach a cycle top. He also says that the current consolidation range is similar to the one that started in December 2023 and lasted until February 2024. He thinks that market makers are trying to shake out weak hands who are sensitive to price corrections, especially when it goes below their cost basis. He says that the liquidity grab zones are between $57,000 and $59,000, and the average cost basis for weak hands is $59.788. These are important areas to watch for a final shakeout. Altcoins have taken a hit because of Bitcoin's weakness, with most of the top 200 tokens losing value on Monday. The only exceptions were AMP, which gained 18.75%, BNX, which gained 6.4%, and Helium HNT, which gained 5.7%. The total market cap for cryptocurrencies is now $2.32 trillion, and Bitcoin's dominance rate is 53.3%. That's all for now. Remember, if you want to practice making money on crypto without risking your own, you can get up to $100,000 on a demo account with our partners at bybit.com. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.